with the idea that talks about AC generator. Let me just remind you what is AC generator. It composed of two poles of the magnet, and of course magnetic field is getting out of north into south, and there's a coiled wire is able to be rotated across the magnetic field between the two poles. This wire is connected to a meter or voltmeter or galvanometer, any device to show change of magnetic field and EMF is induced. Uh, just to remind you, we call these as slip rings, and these are brushes. Now, during their rotation, while coil is moving between the two poles, the position of the field with the magnet, with the wire, will be changed. This graph shows different locations with different values for EMF. As we can notice here, EMF will be has the greatest value when the coil is horizontal or parallel to the magnetic field line, as well as here. But conversely, in these cases, here EMF is 0 and here EMF 0. What is the common between these two positions? As we can notice, coil is vertical or perpendicular to the field line. So if we go to this question, in AC generator, a coil is rotated in a magnetic field and an EMF is induced. In which position EMF has the greatest value? We just agreed. EMF has the greatest value if it's horizontal or parallel. So obviously A, it shows horizontal or parallel position. Which device uses slip rings? Of course, it's AC generator. We don't need to describe or to go to the idea of motor since it will not be included, so I don't want to confuse you.